Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, back to me Fitri Ulandari. Tornado destroyed house in Jamber and Bali. Torrential rains accompanied by strong wind destroyed dozens of homes. People who are living in a village in Jamber, East Java, did not believe that their homes were destroyed because of a tornado. Enter my friend Reza and Jamber and Fasha and Bali. Good afternoon, Fasha and Reza.
Good afternoon, Fitri. When the incident took place, the people overloaded by flame. The residents whose houses broken have to evacuate to a neighbor house, whose house survived from tornado. The incident resulted loss up to tens of $millions. And on the right, there is a resident with
Cecil.
Miss Cecil. What happened when strong wind?
The wind was so strong, we all ran out of the house because the roof and tiles scattered.
Thanks for your information, and I gave it to my colleague in Bali.
Afternoon, thank you Fareza. A tornado knocked down power line and a number of trees in Denpasar Street, Gilimanuk, Bali. As a result, electricity and telephone were disconnected. Strong wind also destroyed a temple there. There is a resident with
Fikri Alhamdi.
Mr. Fikri. What happened when strong wind?
The strong winds knocked down the fences outside and flew through temple.
Thank you for your time. And I return it to presenter.
Thank you for Reza and Fasha for the information how Philly the station will improve soon. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.